up, creators? Welcome back to the HitPaw channel. Ever recorded the perfect video, only to realize there's some annoying text on the screen? Maybe subtitles you don't want, random captions, or even a watermark ruining your footage. Yeah, not great. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove text from videos online. No blur, no complicated software, using Canva and HitPaw online. First up, let's check out HitPaw Online Video Watermark Remover. Just click the link in the description to get started, then hit this purple button. Upload your video by dragging and dropping it, or simply click to upload. Once it's in, select the area where the text appears. You can adjust the selection box frame by frame to make sure it fully covers the text. Take your time here. The more precise you are, the cleaner the result will be. When you're ready, click Remove and let the AI do its thing. In just a few seconds, the text is gone and your video looks clean again. Next, let's move on to Canva, a super popular online editor. I've added the link in the description as well. Click Create a Design and upload your video. Then place it onto the timeline. Canva offers many tools for removing text and watermarks, but unfortunately, these tools are designed for images. However, don't worry, there are ways to remove them from videos as well. For a simple background like this, you can simply cover the text with a shape in the same color as the background. There's also an even simpler method. Just zoom in on the video and crop it to the desired size. So which one should you choose? Both tools work really well, but if you want something faster and easier to use, HitPaw Online is the better choice, especially for beginners. And that's it for today. Now you know how to remove text from videos online, quickly and cleanly. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.